welcome to the history of the Earth. If you think 1,000 years is a long time, by the end of this video you'll have changed your mind. If you come closer, you'll see that this entire length of adding machine tape is 4.6 billion years. And that is 4.6 million thousand years, or 4.6 thousand million years. But that seems like quite a long time to me. So, we begin in the Precambrian Eon, when the Earth forms. Some people call the Hadean Eon the Hadean Era, but I've just put it as Eon for now, because it's such a long time. The key: sideways text equals new Eon, vertical text equals new period, and underlined text equals new era. Now, let's tour the Hadean Eon. There's not much to see here. Then we get the Archean era of the Precambrian Eon. The Eoarchean period is the first period of the Archean period, era. And then we go to the Paleoarchean, and then to the Mesoarchean, and then the Neoarchean, and then we arrive in a new era, the Proterozoic era. And I'm probably saying this incorrectly, so correct me if I am. But then we get to the longest period name of all time, the Paleoproterozoic period, which is a very long name, and it lasts for possibly the longest time of any period. Just ignore this here. Then we get to the Mesoproterozoic period, which is another long name, and then we have another long blank, and then we get to the Neoproterozoic period, and then we have a final long blank before a new eon dawns, the Phanerozoic Eon, which begins with the Paleozoic era, which begins with the Cambrian period. As you can see, the Precambrian Eon is the entire eon leading up to the Cambrian period. What's so special about the Cambrian period? Well, it's when first life appeared on Earth. And not just like things you might think of trilobites or dinosaurs. It's when the first cells started growing, and it's really interesting to think that this is the Earth's history, and this is the history of life on Earth. But anyway, continuing on, we got the Cambrian period, to the Oridonian period, to the Silurian period, to the Devonian period, to the Carboniferous period, and then we arrive in the Mesozoic era, or as I like to call it, the era of the dinosaurs. I've marked it here, so you know that it's the era of the dinosaurs, which does not begin with the Permian period, like you might think. This is just coming right before the Mesozoic era, which begins with the Triassic period, which is when the first dinosaurs appeared. Then it moves on to the Jurassic period, where dinosaurs were most prominent, and then to the Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs started dying out. This lasts for quite a long time until the Cenozoic era, which is the era of modern mammals. This begins with the Paleogene period, moves on to the Neogene period, then to the Quaternary period, and then there's a gap of 2 million years. And then now. And that's the history of the entire Earth. And this 2 million years right here. And this is 4.6 billion. And as you can see, it's quite a lot more than just 2 million years. This has been the history of the world in 4.6 meters. Thank you for watching.